What's up, guys? So finally today I'm going to change out my badge overlays. We have the Galaxy ones, just the front ones and the rear ones. I think it does matter because it looks like it matters like where I put each one, because I think the front ones are bigger. It looks bigger than these are the rear ones. Looks a little bit bigger. First I'm going to take off my old ones. I'm not really going to show you guys that because it's pretty straightforward. Just peel it off. I probably will have to take off my red grill stripe because it doesn't look that. I don't think it'll look good with the purple. That's the old one. Actually, I could probably take that off for you right now. It's easy. Off. Front ones. Kind of chilly out today. Turn this off. Shit. God damn it. This one's not as easy to come off. Kind of like peeling it off in sections. Sucks. There you guys go. I'm gonna put the badges on first to see if it even looks good with the red. Next, I'm just gonna wipe everything off, spray it. Fabric towel, dry it off, just to clean it. Grabbing the new ones. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of just like peel this back out a little bit, and then I'll use a spray bottle and just wet it so it's easier to move around, just in case I don't like where it sits. And I'll do the same with the front ones. Oh. Drying off the area. Just a little heads up. I think I've mentioned it in my other videos with the badge overlays, that it's easier to apply this when you have water, because I actually didn't like how it sat the first couple times I put it on. So I was peeling. It's so much easier to peel off when the surface is a little bit wet. And then just take all the bubbles out. I don't really have too many, but I think it looks really nice. I'll probably keep this on here for a while. And there it is. That's the rear ones. So sick. I already started the process with the front. I put it on. Same thing. Just gonna dry it off now. Got a couple of bubbles here. I was gonna upload a video, like yesterday or Friday, but I've been busy. My brother just graduated from pharmacy school, so, and then my aunt had a retirement party, so. Get all these bubbles out. Okay. What do you guys think? Red with the purple. I guess I'll keep it on for now. And then I'll order like a purple stripe or something. I like it though. That's it. See you guys next week.